Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As usual, before we start our lesson, kita ni akan mulakan dengan berselawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Mari kita ni sama-sama membaca 3 niat penting sebelum memulakan selawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW. Yang pertama, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Yang kedua, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dan yang ketiga, kami niatkan selawat kami untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. 2 minutes from now.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد 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 اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmat-Mu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmat-Mu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, in this session, we will cover 1.6.1, Algebraic Expression and Arithmetic Operation. So, can you please get ready with your notes, page 37 until 38. And for the worksheet, it will be combined with 1.6.2 later on. Okay? Usual, we start with our LO. So, by the end of the lesson, students should be able to recognize and use algebraic convention when representing a non-number or variables in expressions and equation, including the use of exponent. And the second one, you should be able to explain that algebraic expression follow the same convention and order as arithmetic operation, including the use of brackets and exponents. Steps to success to achieve our LO. The first one, identify the operation involved in the statement given. Second, change the statement in form of algebraic expression. And last one, read the questions carefully and solve it. What is actually algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer constants. Constants mean values. Variables means here letter used to represent the unknown value. And the algebraic operation here include plus, minus, multiply, or divide. You need to remember that algebraic expression does not have an equal sign. Algebraic expression also same like arithmetic operation. It also include the use of brackets, include the use of exponent. But here, the difference is for algebraic expression we have the variable, okay? And we already learned this algebraic expression in previous year 7, so you should be familiar with this topic. Moving on with example 1, write the following statement in the form of algebraic expression. You are given these statements and you need to change this statement into algebraic expression. Okay, for part A, subtract 5 from A. So, what will be the answer for this one? It should be A minus 5. This A minus 5 is the algebraic expression. Okay. Divide 2f by 7. Here you need to be sure which one will be the dividend, which one will be the divisor. Okay. 2f is the division, 2f is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. So what will be the quotient? Quotient will be here. Divide is quotient. Another name for divide is quotient. So 2f divided by 7. Add u to the product of 6 and y. So here, product of 6 and y. So we multiply 6 and y first. Okay. We multiply 6 and y first and then add u to it. Okay. So it will become like this. Alright. Now, the last one for part D, 7 times the sum of W and 5. The sum of W and 5. So, W and 5 is one group and sum of them, and then you multiply by 7, it will become like this. And here you can see that we put bracket for the group of W and 5 and we multiply this group with 7. So 7 bracket W plus 5 like that. Next, example 2. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. So we start from A. 4 times a number decreased by 6. 4 times a number decreased by 6. Here you are not given any alphabet like previous example 1. So 4 times a number, we know that a number is a we know that here a number is the unknown value. Okay, for any unknown value you represent them by letter. Okay, and that letter we call it variables. Okay, we call it variables. And here I will use n, okay, to represent the unknown values. 4 times n and then decrease by 6. And your answer should be like this. 4 times n become 4n. You hide that times 4n minus 6. For part B, 6 times the sum of 9 and a number. So 9 and a number is one group. If it is one group, you put it in a bracket and then you multiply with 6, and you should get 6 bracket 9 plus n. You can use any variable here, but here I just put n for the unknown value. Okay, and for part C, 8 fewer than the sum of 14 and a number. Again, another group of 14 and a number. So put plus for 14 and n, and then 8 fewer than, 8 fewer than. So the algebraic expression should be like this: 14 bracket 14 plus n minus 8. For part D, t at 2 and then multiply by 5. T at 2. So t plus 2 and then multiply by 5. You should put like this. If the expression asks you to multiply, put that multiply part in front, okay, like this. Okay, moving on with the last part for example 2, part E. 3/5 of the sum of b and 7 plus the product of 6 and y. So here we have two groups, sum of b and 7, and then product of 6 and y. And these two groups we plus. Okay, and 3/5 of. If we have of here, that means multiply. Now, your answer should be like this: 3/5 bracket b plus 7 plus 6y. Okay, so far so good. Now, example 3. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. And here, the variable is stated. Here is b, here is c. B squared plus the product of 5 and c plus 3. B squared plus the product of 5 and c plus 3. So, your answer should be like this: b squared, so b squared plus 5c, the product of 5c plus 3. So here will be b squared plus 5c plus 3. Y squared and then multiply by 4. You should get like this. Okay, 4y squared. And it is and you should put the coefficient in front of variable. 4 is coefficient, remember that one. Coefficient means value in front of variable. So do not put y squared 4. Put 4 in front. Any coefficient in front. So 4y squared. Okay. For part C, you should get this. And why I put bracket here and I don't put bracket here? Because here k multiply by 7 and then squared. That means 7 and k is one group. And the whole group here we multiply by, the whole group here we squared them. Okay, like this. And last one for part example 3, a squared and then multiply by b. You should get this. You can put a square b like this or b in front, b a square. It doesn't matter. Okay. Next. Example 4. Write an algebraic expression to represent each of the following. Alright. Now, for part A, the area of square with side and centimeter. Although this is about algebraic expression, but the formula of the area of square and volume of cube, you need to already know inside your mind. Okay, so the formula for area of square will be L square. Therefore, your answer L square or L times L. So here, area of square will be N square. And volume of a cube should be M times M times M, correct? So When we change it in terms of index notation, it will become m cubed. Next example 5. Twice the sum of length x and breadth y of a rectangle is the perimeter. Is the perimeter of a rectangle. Write the expression for the perimeter. Here, your perimeter is already given in terms of statement. It just you need to extract them or rewrite them in form of algebraic expression. Okay? Now, underline the key information and express this statement into algebraic expression, and your answer will be 2x plus 2y. Okay, 2x plus 2y will be the perimeter for the rectangle. Now, the last example before we stop, write and simplify an expression for the perimeter and for the area of figure below, figure here. Okay, this figure. Now, perimeter and also the area. So, we have two tasks here, to find perimeter and to find the area. Now, first, let us find the perimeter. Don't forget the basic for perimeter, we need to add all the sides. Okay, we need to add all the sides here. So your perimeter will be 2x plus x plus 5 plus 2x plus 4. And do not leave your answer like this. Proceed with collecting like terms. Alright. Now we have two group here. Group of whole number and group of x here. So 2x, this will be the groups, and you circle for the another group like this, and your answer will be 5x plus 9. Okay, then the area. Don't forget, although this is about algebraic expression, but the basics still need the formula to find area of triangle. So, area will be half times base time height, perpendicular height. Okay, we take the height with the L shape here. And then substitute b into the algebraic expression. B will be x plus 5 and your x will be 2x. And then here we can cancel out that 2. So we cannot cancel out any, we cannot cancel out that x. Therefore, your final answer will be x bracket x plus 5. Okay, so this will be the last part. Don't forget to complete your notes. Thank you so much. And as usual, we end our session by reciting doa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.